Hey everyone, I want to take a moment here. We ordered ourselves a new pair of heated gloves from Kemimoto, and I'm just going to do an open box on them and show you guys all about them. So as you can see inside, they come already packaged, wrapped really nice in plastic. And here's the batteries, all packaged up really nice, and an owner's manual. Well, let's just get them open here a second. We'll show you what it's all about here. I can tell you they're really nice. They got paper to kind of separate them here. There's a latch in here to keep them. First thoughts are they're really nice. They're like a silky inside, silky fuzz. You can see it's kind of felt lined. I got the larges. It also has, one of the reasons I got them is it has this feature where you can flip back your fingers here to get out if you need to do something. So you got your fingers exposed for your phone. For me, it's the tablet and the side-by-side if I'm riding, and then they just cover right back up. Like so. Zipper here where the battery goes. It looks like it's a dedicated plug on these. So it's got the USB-C plug to charge it. You can see it's got lights on there to see how full it is. So it plugs right in here. And we'll tuck it right back inside. It does have the buttons right here. So just like other Kemimoto stuff, red is high, blue is medium cool, green is cool, blue is warm, back to red. Push, it's off. So let's see how warm it gets here a second. I can tell you they got a nice feel to them. Really like them. Got lined in here, so some protection for gripping. Labeled. It's got a cinch strap here, so if you're really into like snowmobiling, that'd be really nice too. It's also got the gauntlet here that can get tight and tightens right around your arm. Keep that heat right in there. I can feel them getting warm already. So I can feel them getting warm already. We'll do some outside testing on them and get back with you, and stay tuned for that. Hey everyone, here we are outside. I wanted to give a follow-up on the Kemimoto heated gloves here today. As you can see, it's cold. It's winter time here in Michigan. It's about 23 degrees, but with the wind chill, it's about 5. I can tell you the Kemimoto gloves on high, they're keeping my hands nice and warm. I've been wearing them for a few weeks, back and forth to work in my truck in the morning. They're nice and warm on me as my truck warms up. They last about roughly 8 hours on high, I think. On and off, it's kind of short intermittent. I haven't worn them like all day long or anything, but it feels like I get about 8 hours of time on them. They do charge up pretty quickly though, so I don't have a problem with that. All in all, they've been good. A little downside I see on them, not a big deal though, is the thumb part or the finger part when you pull it out. As you can see here, to pull it out. When you go to put it back in, it's kind of tough, but it leaves a little bit of a gap there. You can get that closed up if you take your gloves off and kind of manipulate it a little bit. And then it does get closed back up. It's not a huge deal, but just a little thing to note. But all in all, I like them. They're really good. They're comfortable. They keep you warm. That's for sure. So um, for that, I'm hoping this follows up on the review and everything for these Kemimoto heated gloves. We'll have a link of the site on Amazon to purchase them from, so you can look at them yourself or buy them yourself if you want to. So for now, this is Chris from Skinner's Outdoor Adventures. Thanks for watching.